Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. If you've woken up feeling stiff, sluggish, or tight in your back and shoulders, then this is exactly what your body needs. In just 5 minutes, we're going to loosen up your spine and shoulders, activate your hips for better movement, and boost circulation and wake up your body naturally. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat, and 5 minutes of focus. Most people skip stretching in the morning, but not you. You're here showing up, and that already sets you apart. But there's one common mistake that most people make in the morning. Could you be doing it too? Well, stay tuned to find out. Let's hit the mat. We're starting in cat-cow to wake up the spine and get the body moving. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest and tilt your tailbone up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and press the mat away. Move with your breath, flowing between these positions for 1 minute. This stretch improves spinal mobility, reduces morning stiffness and preps your body for the day. If you're not careful though, you might end up straining your neck instead of releasing tension. I'll show you how to avoid that in a second. Slow it down. Beginners, slow it down. Focus on deep breaths. Advanced stretches increase the range of motion and deepen the movement. We're just getting started, and already your spine is waking up. But the next move is where the real magic happens. Now that your spine is warmed up, let's add a dynamic movement that opens up your shoulders and chest. This flowing stretch will open up your spine, chest, and shoulders while improving flexibility. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms extended forward, forehead resting on the mat. Inhale, shift forward into cobra pose, pressing through your hands as your chest lifts. Exhale, sink back into child's pose. Repeat this dynamic flow for 1 minute. This movement counteracts poor posture, stretches your spine, and improves mobility. But if you rush this, you might miss out on the deep stretch your back needs. Focus on control, not speed. Beginners, lower your chest slightly in cobra if it feels too intense. If you need more of a challenge, hold the cobra stretch longer for a deeper back bend. Your spine is now fully engaged, but let's unlock the hips and create more space for movement. Now that the spine is open, let's move into a deep twist that will release tension in your back and core. A powerful hip and spine opener that improves rotation and mobility. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left leg extended behind you. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your torso. Reaching your right arm up. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Switch sides and repeat with your left leg forward. This stretch improves hip flexibility, spinal rotation, and posture. Perfect for combating stiffness. Beginners, but did you know that there's a way to make this stretch even more effective? I'll show you in just a moment. If you feel off balance here, don't worry. That means you're locking tight muscles that have been restricting your movement. Beginners, keep your back knee down for more support. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee for a deeper stretch. Now that we've opened the hips, we're about to activate the entire body with one movement. Get ready for a full body activation. This next move will challenge your balance and flexibility. The dynamic move increases mobility and improves lower body strength. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your chest lifted. Place one hand on the floor, then twist the other arm toward the sky. Switch sides and repeat for 1 minute. This move engages your hips, spine, and shoulders while improving posture. But what happens if you can't get deep into the squat? Stay tuned, I've got a fix for that. If you feel tight in your ankles or hips, this stretch will reveal it instantly. But don't skip it. This is where the real progress happens. Beginners, hold onto a wall or block for support. Advanced stretches speed up the rotation for a more dynamic flow. Almost there. One last move to lengthen and reset your spine. Let's finish strong with the full body lengthening stretch. A final stretch to elongate the spine and improve flexibility. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the side body stretch. Switch sides and repeat. This stretch helps relieve back tightness, improve posture, and enhance flexibility. And here's one simple trick to make the stretch even deeper. Stay tuned. If you feel more tightness on one side, that's completely normal. But here's why you shouldn't ignore it. Beginners, keep the stretch gentle. Advanced stretches add a slight back bend for extra mobility. And just like that, your body's fully awake and ready for the day. That's 5 minutes well spent. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.